So welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here is a quick update regarding the arcade program from the January season. All these games are expired except the work meet play. So most of you are asking that can we complete the work meet play today? So the answer is yes. You have very limited time, around 15 hours is remaining. So I'm updating you. Complete all the labs. And how to find the solution? I have attached the playlist also in the description box, or you can just simply come to the channel playlist and just navigate and find it. I think it will be easier if I just attach the playlist in the description box. You have to simply check it out and complete it. And most of you are asking about the credits, how to get credits for doing the labs. Here I have shared the credits video. Okay, you can just check it out and just claim the credits. Okay. So I will attach the yes, this is the video. You can just see it and claim your credits for completing the labs. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. And February month games will be live very soon. So stay tuned in case you missed the January games. There is no need to worry. The event is for 6 months. You can just participate and win some cool goodies. Now, thank you. Have a great day ahead.